Nakaba sdang hi dala de ban pynhir dawai ki khunlung ha ka jialang ka balong ha banyun milim CNRD block ka DC ka loong bara ka pynhir ekate ka dawai ka bashupanjaw ka niadai ki khunlung ban yo ekate ka jingpang yabit ka bajukan rai bha ki khunlung ka poishudu uput badan ki jingja basngo si ru Kalakin turu iki CHC, PHC, kumjuru iki subcenter ki badan haka distrik, bakin tray borba, kanang baka jing ayaw te dawai Rotavirus, kan long ka bayad bed, bar ka bajab, kanang baki kalung haka distrik, kan yo ban he, ban san hapareng ka jingkot jingkya.
These kind of programs, these campaigns, brought in by the government, brought in by the health department, are many. You have seen all the different campaigns, different vaccines that have been given for the past many years, and as also spoken by the video, that these vaccines would seem to be forced upon the community by the government. But as also rightly said, that's not the point. The point is, it is your right. It is your right as citizens, it is your right as children, it is your right as the community to ensure that these campaigns, that these vaccines, be it for the virus or be it for the bacteria that are caused, are given to us, are given to the community, to ensure that we become part of the healthy society that is in existence in other parts of the world, that is in existence in other parts of the country, that should be existent in our state, in our district, in our communities, in our villages, and in our homes.
Hababin rablang u video kamilem u bapiti pasa ulong banado kate kasngi ute dawai unrung badan hamala ki jaka ajing sumar jaka sarkar number baro shikata udan beta ki hospital shimen u video ulong ru bakalong ke eke bam sngotanat badan ki brio ki balej penso tho bakla ha badan ki nu ki kamba bha baka sarkar kawanra na ka benta ka koi ka khia ne ka roi ka par ki nong shok shnong
ku magi yo ki vaccine nila ban yo ro ikni ha ki hospital sarkar ha ki pensi number shikapon Haban amba yang kini vaksin akan tuplang. Kalau mandiri, haban man ki khunlung jengi ki badahi banyo yang kini vaksin di banyo. Kemudian kadai kehok jengi umpai ba. Kadai kehok jengi koni ki jongpi berbanyo yang unik vaksin. Haban kebaki dari banyo. Ngakai boleh ki program. Jawab sarkar, nelpon sekepol, ki program yang lansir dari negara, ki dapat ki naik base. Kemudian ki dapat terhok jangpiu pelba banyak ini jemetoy, negara sarkar. Apa pausi yang buat bangsa semua jangpi, yang ayat kita kedai terhok jangpi, ini nak berbor begini, ini nak berbor begini hok jangpi. Nak try kita semua bagi bahok ni dawai. Yang cepat, yang bahok ni dawai. Yang berapa di barok, namanya sekman selohan dawai. Nama sarkar dawai ni doktor, bagi ni vaksin. Coba sarkar ni laku, bagi mereka bahok jompi ni dari banai di COVID ni jompi.
Layoru ke Jingpyndih ke babanya anu Dr. R. Marang, District Nodal Officer, RVV, East Khasi Hills District, halor Rotavirus, barka dawai banyada, kadba ka kong o sume DHEO East Khasi Hills, kalakren halor ke jiran kami kabam ka di ka papaka, ha ke jing em ka bamana ka sngi. Laidan langru Dr. M.R. Basaimoit, DMNHO, East Khasi Hills District, Dr. D.P.S. Aim, Senior Medical and Health Officer, in charge Pomlom PHC, ginami khman akadorba shnong Pomlom, rangba shnong ni kishnong pamarjan ki khna skol bar ki pajba
taksi pynhiar gedung kam kenai layan sidang dawai gedung layan Jingpang pynhiar Kau